Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Gusto, a user-friendly platform that makes running payroll a breeze for businesses. If you're looking for an efficient way to manage employee payments, taxes, and benefits, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Set up your Gusto account. Log into your Gusto account and ensure all employee details, including salary, benefits, and tax information, are up to date. This ensures accurate payroll processing. Run a new payroll. Head to the Payroll tab and select Run Payroll. Choose the pay period and check the details, such as hours worked, overtime, or bonuses. Review and approve. Gusto calculates taxes and deductions automatically. Review the summary to confirm everything is accurate. Once satisfied, click Approve Payroll to process payments. Track and manage. After running payroll, Gusto will handle direct deposits and send tax filings to the appropriate agencies. You can also access reports to keep track of your payroll history. With Gusto, managing payroll has never been easier. Have you used Gusto for your payroll needs? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more business management tips. See you in the next video.